On yesterday's video, I showed how to install some mirror frames and some tips when doing that. Today's video, in the same bathroom, I've got a medicine cabinet that's hitting the light fixture. I've had to pick a different light fixture going forward, which is a shame because I really like this one, but here's a tip.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. Quick one on a less than ideal situation. Got a medicine cabinet that's hitting the light lens. In order to keep it from breaking, there's these couple little bumpers on each side just to make that much better. It's an imperfect situation, but just making an imperfect situation a little bit better. I may need to eventually change out these light fixtures or something that sits a bit higher and the door clears, but for now, that's the way I'm going to keep it from going bad. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos.